Yo, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Yes, I am doing a video about these little toys, little fidget spinners, spinner rims from on little motor cars or something. Yeah, so I said I'd like to do a video today showing two fidget spinners off my house. Bought both these off eBay, and I will leave where I bought these at. I'll leave the link in the description below where you can pick these up. They're really not all that bad. I think this one was like 11 bucks, and the other one I get ready to show you was like $13–14. Not bad for what they are. This one's pretty cool. It's like more like a rainbow looking outfit. It's aluminum, and you can upgrade the bearings in it. This right here screws off. And this right here, loosen this and take this off, and you get in here to the screw this off, and you get into the bag. I think this one has looks like the R188. I'm not for sure. I'm new to these, so yeah. I'm gonna do a spin test on this, and I'll show you the next one. I hope you can see it right there. Let's see if I can do it quick enough. Let's see. I guess that'll work, I don't know. But yeah. I think I was playing around with them earlier today. I think this spin for like a minute, and just a little over a minute, not long at all. I know this is boring. If you don't want to see this, just go ahead and skip it forward. This one actually should spin a little bit longer, the bearing it has in it. Now it's R188 bearing, it's really popular. Because it's really popular for the spin time. Yeah, these are here pretty good for the price, what they are. You can probably find them cheaper somewhere. I don't know, I haven't looked everywhere. I looked Amazon, eBay, actually everywhere I can look. We're past a minute now. I said go minute 20. Minute 20 seconds. Oh, that's fantastic. There. Oh yeah, a minute and 34 seconds. That really ain't too bad. There's something to fidget with. Play around. Look, actually, ain't that cool? Come on, now focus. Let's get this. There we go. Very cool, right? Rainbow. Very neat. Okay, the next one is just. This actually is my favorite. It's made by Safety. What the hell? Can't you pick up? Let's see if you zoom up where y'all can see it. Come on now. There we go. It's got a little reflection. Oh yeah, there we go. Safety. Something like safety, but it's just safety. Oh, that's crazy, man. Oh, sorry. Let's get this thing focused back in. Come on, focus. That's one thing I don't like about this camera. It's very slow in focus. So I really apologize about that. There we go. Yeah. This is nice. It's black with silver. Inside the hose here, it's got a little red. It'll be hard to see the little red. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, a little hard to not gonna light above me. But this right here is actually pretty nice. If my camera stay focused.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, sorry about that. My camera stopped recording and I'll keep on doing the video and I didn't even know it stopped recording on me, so sorry about that. So I guess we'll start back. I don't know where it quit at, but anyway, yeah, this right here is a nice little spinner for the price. And I really recommend this one. This is very popular. These has been sold a lot. This one little spinner right here. This is amazing. So I think it's made of titanium or something like that. But alright, let's do a run test on this and see how it goes. I gotta fix my camera and I get right back and we do a run test. Alrighty, there's something flashing on my screen. I didn't know what it was, so I had to get in there and check it out. I thought somebody got hold of my camera when young and something, messed with my settings, but they really want nothing. But alright, let's start the test on this and see how long we go. See if I can get over here and get this some time. Nope. Sorry about that. I forgot to reset the time. That's pretty good. So, oh yeah, reset the. But that's not funny. I know that's kind of funny, but anyway. Alright, let's try this one more time if I can. Alright, if I don't hit that phone. Alright, now we are. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description below of both the little fidget spinners. I really recommend for the price. They're really nice. This is actually my first video I made of a fidget spinner. So. I know it ain't the best video in the world, but I'm trying. Doing pretty good, I say. Maybe up here and look at the camera. Make sure everything's alright. I'm mostly looking away, not looking at the camera. We're almost at 1 minute. Yeah, this ain't really all that bad. It's got a little bit of noise to it, not that bad. It really ain't all that bad compared to this one. This right here actually makes quite a bit of noise. That's still pretty cool. And this one, plus when you spin it, you can feel it, feel the burns in it. Still nice though. But the safety, what do you call it? It's almost liquid, smooth. It just really smooth. Just sometimes you can feel a little nip here and there, but still nice. It's pretty cool that works from this little case thing. I thought that was pretty cool. Some of them comes in a metal can. That's what I thought I'd be getting, but it comes like a little jewelry box type of a thing. Okay, where we at? 2 minutes. Not bad. Not bad. I say maybe 2 minutes and a half. My guess, and it might go right. People say they get from 3 minutes to 6 minutes where they must be spinning them pretty hard. I guess it's going past 2 minutes and a half. Yep, it might hit 3 minutes. 3 minutes spinner. I didn't actually spin it all that hard either. You can tell by seeing me hit it there. If I put a lot of force to it, it'd probably go want longer. Alright, is it gonna go to 3 minutes? Let's see. Uh-oh, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. Oh yeah, hit 3 minutes. There, okay. Not bad. 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I can't get a thumbs up. I got the cameras up there, but anyway, it's still good. Well, I guess I'm gonna end this video, guys. If y'all interested in these two little fidget spinners right here, I will leave the link in the description below. I bought both of these off eBay. I think it took me like a week to get them or something. Got this pretty good piece away from me. You might be a little closer or something. But anyway, thanks for watching. Always be safe and God bless. Goodbye.